Alright YouTube, once again it's your tech guide. My name is Chan and welcome to my channel. Okay, in this video I'm going to teach the beginners out there who would like to be a DJ. Alright, in this case I'm using a Serato DJ Lite software. Okay, from my previous video, if you have checked out the other video that I made, I discussed the common mistakes of a beginner DJ. Okay, so they have the problem is they just crossfade from deck 1 to deck 2 without beat matching. Okay, so I teach them in that video how to do beat matching. So in this case, other way of mixing for beginners, I'll be showing you on how to use sync. Okay, basically what is sync? Of course, with the name itself, sync. If I load one song here, and then if I load another song from here, and then if you press sync, it will sync your BPM. Okay, so in this case I loaded a song with the same BPM, so of course it will be exactly the same. So I'll be loading another song which is let's check which song. I'll check in my list. Okay, hold on. All right, which one? Okay, which song should we choose? Okay, let's say let's say this. Wait. All right, let's look for a song that will okay. Anyway, I'll use this one. Okay, house track, and then the other one is a house track. Okay, and then the BPM from the other side is 124 and the other side is 120. Okay, but first I will let you hear what's the songs. Okay, I'll play deck A. Okay, let's stop and then let's check the song from deck B. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. I will mix from deck A going to deck B using the sync. Okay, this is what beginners usually do. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'll crossfade from A, and then I will play the song and then transfer the song to other deck, which is deck B. But first, before you do that, make sure you press sync. Okay, all right, let's try this. All right, 124, 120. Okay, I will press sync. Okay, all right, wait, before I do the mixing, I press the sync and then you check the BPM. It became exactly the same. All right, let's do the mixing from A to B. Alright, that's it. That covers this video on how to use Synchronize. But first, before I will end this tutorial, I will disable the sync and then let's try to mix from B to A. Okay, going back to A, and then I will change again the BPM, and then I will okay, mismatch the BPM, and then you check out how it sounds. Okay, all right, here we go. I will disable the sync. Okay, it goes to 120. All right, by the way, it's the original BPM from this track, so let's stop first, and then I'll be playing here and then going back to channel A without pressing the sync. Okay, by the way, this is the common mistake beginners usually do. Okay, so I will correct this one by teaching them how to use sync. All right, so let's push up the volume and play the song. Alright, see, you can hear how awful the sound is. Okay, let me correct that mistake. So all you have to do is to press sync, okay? And then that's it. Wait, hold on. I will follow this BPM. So I'll off this first. I'll make sure this is 124. Okay, I'll press hold on. Okay, 124. I'll make this 124, okay? So basically it's like this. If you would like to follow the BPM from this side, you press sync this side. Okay, check out what will happen. Alright, okay, so this channel follows the BPM from this channel. Okay, vice versa when you do mixing from the other deck. Okay, so let's try to mix now. I'll push up the volume and check out the correction. Okay, all right, there you have it. There you have it, guys. This is how to use sync in Serato DJ Lite. Okay, for the viewers out there, I hope I help you with this simple video that I made. So if you learn something from this video, just make sure to hit subscribe down there and check out my other videos for more tutorials. Okay, I'll leave you with this message: practice and make sure you do it yourself. Alright, so that you will learn. Okay, once again, I'm your tech guide for today. My name is Chan, saying thank you and ciao for now. Okay, I'll be closing this software.